Good morning. Hello. Hi. How are you? My dear children, this is the day 19 of session 4. And from tomorrow, we are going to start session 5, a new session. So let's begin this session 4, day 19, the last day of the session with the welcome song. So are you ready? You're going to sing with me? Yes. Welcome, welcome, how do you do? Welcome, welcome, how do you do? I'm so glad to see you. I'm so glad to see you. Sit down, all in a ring. Sit down, all in a ring. Hold each other's hand too. Hold each other's hand too. Happy, happy, that's how I feel. Happy, happy, that's how I feel when we are together. Happy, happy, that's how I feel when we are together. Happy, happy, when we are together. So welcome to the day 19 of session 4, Homeschool Play and Learning Connection. And children, I'm very happy to start with SCW time. And for today's special skill of the day is to fill the water bottles, that is the drinking water bottles with water. Okay, whichever bottle is empty, you have to fill it up with water. But children, don't forget to wash your hands before and after doing this activity. And how much time you have to apply the soap for 20 seconds. Yes, and then wash your hands with water. Yes. So this was the special skill of the day. And then comes E, that E stands for everything for day, date and month of the year. And this is the September month. 2020 is the year. And in September month, how many days are there? There are 30 days. That's right. Sorry. Yes. W stands for weather for the day. And look outside the window and tell your parents that how is the weather today. Sunny, rainy, stormy, cloudy, windy or partly cloudy. And parents, please don't forget to take the photograph and the video of your child telling you about the weather for today. And please ask them how is the, what types of clothes do we wear in this type of season. Yes. So days of the week. And children, we are going to sing the song on days of the week, your favorite one. So let's begin. Every week has 7 days, starting from Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. Did you brush your teeth today? Wednesday and Thursday. Did you wash your face today? Friday and Saturday. Eat your meals every day. We come again to Sunday and then we go day by day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, Friday and Saturday, and then back to Sunday. So we have recited the rhyme of days of the week. Now let's recite the days. Yes, come on, let's begin. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So how many days? 7 days. That's right. Now let's recite, yes children, the months of the year. Yes. And the months of the in this the year starts with January. Yes, and ends with, that's right, December. So let's begin. January, February, March, April. Yes, children, you are reciting with me, isn't it? Yes. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So how many months you have counted? Yes, there are 12 months in a year. Yes, children. Now, who will tell me the national bird? That's right. It's a peacock. National animal? That's tiger. National flower? Lotus. National fruit? That's the mango. And national tree is the banyan tree. That's correct. Now it's time for rhyme session, and the first rhyme for today is if you are happy and you know it. Children, we are reciting this rhyme from session 1. Do you remember this rhyme? You must now know this rhyme by heart, by heart. Okay, so let's start with this rhyme with action you are going to do with me. Come on, let's begin. If you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, say ha ha. If you're happy and you know it, say ha ha. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, say ha ha. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, snap your fingers. If you're happy and you know it, snap your fingers. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, snap your fingers. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. Yes, children, we have completed this time and it's time for the next one. So, which is the next one? Yes, this is the theme of session 4. Yes, what is that? Planting the seeds, isn't it? Yes, so let's begin with the rhyme. The seeds grow. So children, let's begin. The seeds grow. The gardener plants the seeds. The gardener plants the seeds. Deep down inside the ground, the gardener plants the seeds. The rain clouds give them water. The rain clouds give them water. Seeds need some water to drink. Seeds need some water to drink. The rain clouds give them water. The sun gives heat and light. The sun gives heat and light. Seeds like it warm and bright. Seeds like it warm and bright. The gardener pulls the weeds. The gardener pulls the weeds. Seeds need the room to grow. Seeds need some room to grow. The gardener pulls the weeds. The seeds grow into flowers. The seeds grow into flowers. Flowers that are beautiful. Flowers that are beautiful. The seeds grow into flower. I dig my garden, dig, dig, dig. I dig my garden, dig, dig, dig. I sow my seeds and watch them grow. So this is the rhyme. Yes, the seeds grow. And let's go for the next one. The next rhyme is rainbow. Let's start. There's an arch in a rainbow. So pretty, so pretty. There's an arch in a rainbow with colors you see. The sun after the rain makes the colors. The sun after the rain makes the colors you see. There's an arch in a rainbow with colors you see. There's an arch in a rainbow with colors you see. There's red and there's orange. There's red and there's orange. And there's yellow so pretty. There's red and there's orange. And there's yellow you see. There's an arch in a rainbow with colors you see. So pretty, so pretty. There's arch in a rainbow with colors you see. There's green and there's blue. There's green and there's blue. And there's violet so pretty. There's green and there's blue. And there's violet so pretty. There's an arch in a rainbow with colors you see. There's an arch in a rainbow. So pretty, so pretty. So we have completed this rainbow rhyme and do practice the rhyme daily at home. Let's go for the next one. Trees. Neem, people, banyan, coconut, mango, banana, tamarind, gulmohar, eucalyptus, ashoka. Tree short, trees tall. trees, large and trees, small, trees dance and sway in breeze, trees lush and bare, and trees bare, trees lush and trees bare, trees cool and clean the air, plants, trees everywhere, for trees are precious, friends rare. So this is the rhyme related to the trees. Trees are very precious. What all trees you can see? Coconut, mango, banana, tamarind, gulmohar, eucalyptus, ashoka trees. These are the tall, short, large, small, okay, trees. And you can see the birds homes and these homes on the trees. Trees, what they do, they dance and sway in the breeze. That means they move, okay, due to the breeze, and they lush and bear the fruits, okay, and they give us clean and fresh air. So trees are very, very precious for all of us. So plant trees everywhere. They are our friends, okay dear? Yes. Let's go for the next one. That's the Hindi rhyme, बारिश के गीत. बारिश जब आती है तो फ्रॉगी आता है. बारिश जब आती है तो फ्रॉगी आता है. हॉप हॉप करके वो घूमता रहता है. हॉप हॉप करके वो घूमता रहता है. मिट्टी से निकलकर अर्थवर्म आता है. मिट्टी से निकलकर अर्थवर्म आता है. स्नेल भी धीरे धीरे चलता रहता है. स्नेल भी धीरे धीरे चलता रहता है. फ्रॉगी बोला बच्चों जैसा मेरा छाता है. फ्रॉगी बोला बच्चों जैसा मेरा छाता है. मालूम है बच्चों उसका मशरूम नाम है. छम 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 बारिश आए भीग जाते हैं. छम 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 बारिश आए भीग जाते हैं. आओ बच्चों मिलकर हम भुट्टा खाते हैं. आओ बच्चों मिलकर हम भुट्टा खाते हैं. So this was the next rhyme. That is the last one rhyme for today. And let's begin with the numeracy addition. But before we do addition, okay, learn addition, we are going to recite the numbers. Recitation of the numbers is there from 0 to 100. And children, what we do daily? Yes, for 0, the action is this, yes. And for 0, 1 and 2, what we do? Tap our shoulders and then snap our fingers. Okay, for the next three numbers, we snap our fingers. Okay, today we are going to do these actions, right? So let's begin. You can see the chart, the jumbo number chart on the screen. So look at it and do the recitation of the number. Come on, let's begin. Are you ready? Let's begin. Yes. 0. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Yes, we have completed our recitation of numbers. So now let's go for the addition. And what you can see here, nothing is seen, only the addition and equal to sign is there, ma'am. What is there? Let's see now. Say the three magical words, children. Abracadabra, gilly gilly, chew. Let's see now. Yes, there is a number tile. And which number tile it is, children? It is 1 number tile. So 1 number tile plus 1 gives how many? That's right. 2. The answer is 2. That's correct. Yes, now what are these? These are the hats. Yes, children. So how many hats you can see here? 1, 2 and 3. Let's check it. Yes, that's right. So this is 3 plus how many hats more? Yes, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's check again. Yes, we are right, children. So 3 plus 4 gives how many hats? Yes, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's correct. So the answer is correct, children. Yay, hooray. Come on. Buck up, children. So we have completed our addition. Now this is the numeracy addition worksheet which we have to complete. Okay. So I will teach you and I will give you some instructions written here. I will read the instructions. Okay. So accordingly you have to follow it and at home you have to complete this. Let's start. So children, I will first read the instructions for you. Add the numbers and write their sum in the box. Okay, so we have to add the numbers, okay, and write their sum in the box. Here are the numbers, okay, and the sum of it we have to write in the box. Draw spots on the ladybug that are equal to the sum. So we have to do the addition and we have to write, we have to draw the dots, okay, here, okay, and of what? Of the addition, the total numbers, we have to draw the dots here on the bug, okay, ladybug it is. Let's start then, children. So how, what is the number given here? It's 1. So 1 plus 8 gives how many? Let's draw the dots here. Here, 1 dot plus 8 dots more we have to draw. So we will draw here this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8. Yes. So now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So draw a little bit more darker dots, okay, in your notebook. And here the answer is 9. So right here, 9. So understood, children? This way you have to complete your worksheet. So one more we will do here. What is the first number given here? 3. So draw here 3 dots. 1, 2, like this dots you have to draw, okay, just a moment, and 3, okay, children, and here the sign is of plus, that means you have to add. So which number it is given? 4. So draw here 4 dots. Come on. 1, 2, 3, and the next one is 4. So count now together how many it becomes. The dots are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 plus 4 gives us 7 dots, isn't it, children? So right here 7. So this way you have to complete the worksheet. Do it and please do send it to me. Don't forget to write here the date. Right, children? So just a moment. So we have completed the numeracy worksheet. Now let's move for the fun with games and what we are going to play today. Are you excited, children? You can see here various different animals and we have to make different sounds. Okay. Yes. So this is the game. Yes, you can see the pig, the frog, isn't it? The sheep, the lamb, the dog, the cat, the horse, birds, different birds, donkey, cow. So you have to make the sound of different animals. Okay, the duck. Okay, you can see all those pictures now. Yes. So the game is. I'm going to tell you. I'm going to tell you the instructions of the game now. So let's begin. So parents have to make sounds of different animals and birds. For example, parent can make sound of cat, that is meow, or a dog, woof woof, an elephant, trumpet, horse, sneeze, lion, roars, and pig, oink, cow, moose, snake, hiss, etc., etc., etc. And what you all have to do? Yes, you have to guess the animal name. So children have to guess the sound and the name of the animal. Once the child has guessed it correctly, the parent and child to make the sound together, and don't forget to take the video. So this is the game, interesting game which you have to play with your parents. So this is all about today's day. I'm going to discuss everything related to today's day. The next one, the parent-child interaction and the parent-teacher interaction meet. We are going to conduct it on the team link at 12:30 p.m. So just a glimpse of it I can give it to you. Numeracy, number magic. You have to make the child to complete the worksheet. Active exploration, music and movement. Listen to the music and dance around on the music. Role play, kitchen play it is. Today you have to act as if you are mama and doing the household chores, and take the toys or vegetable or real vegetable fruits and the kitchen equipments, okay, utensils for playing, take these materials for playing, for the kitchen play. So the next activity comes under child independent activity, understanding my world. Drawing animals is the first activity of today. Children to draw the animals they like the most on a, where you have to draw on a blank sheet of the paper. And the special chores we have already discussed. The special skill of the day is the special chore of the day, which I will tell you in the parent-teacher interaction meet. So these are the things which you have to do, the activities which you have to do in today's on today's day 19. Please do it and do send the pictures and videos to me. Children, you all are good children of mine. So you are going to do all the activities and your teacher is very happy with you because you are doing it very nicely, all the activities. Thank you very much, children. And this is the end of session 4. So bye-bye and have a nice day. Thank you very much. Thank you.